Hi students, let us start today class. Today we are going to see exercise 3.6 third problem. Okay, yesterday itself we have completed to second problem. Now today third problem. Okay, so here what are the concept we saw yesterday? Addition and subtractions of rational expression. Okay, here this question it is given subtract one of the rational expression is given 1 divided by x square plus 2 from 2x cube plus x squared plus 3 divided by x square plus 2 to the whole square. Okay, so see word form it is given, you should change this first solution given that. What does that means? After from what is there, first we all write subtract this expression 2 from this expression, what answer we will receive is asked question. Okay, so 2x cube plus x square plus 3 from after which one is it, that you should write this expression x square plus 2 to the whole square is this expression should be subtracted 1 divided by x square plus 2. What is the answer? Okay, so see now denominator you check, it is unlike denominators. Yes, so here because here x square plus 2 to the whole square, here only single time is there, then means so here unlike denominators want to take it as LCM. Take LCM, then means you see x square plus 2 to the whole square, x square plus 2 power 1 is the meaning. So already I have explained, so any variable power highest degree, which one, that is called LCM. Then means this 2 x square plus 2 to the whole square is LCM. Okay, then already here x square plus 2 to the whole square only is there. Yes, this denominator, then means this numerator you should write as it is 2x cube plus x square plus 3 you should write as it is minus 1 into, okay, a single time only is there, but we have chosen two times. Okay, power squared is there, then means one time only here is there, one more time is missing, so that one more time you should multiply. So x squared plus 2 you want to multiply one more time. Will you understand? So here power denominator only one time only is there, so one more time is missing, so that one more time you should multiply with the numerator. Okay, so now I took LCM, now you should simplify. Okay, now see this 2x cube plus x squared plus 3, this minus 1 is common for both, also you should multiply inside, minus x squared minus into plus 2 minus 2 divided by denominator x square plus 2 to the whole square. Now you check it, so 2x cube, okay, here plus x square minus x square will get cancelled, 3 minus 2 means plus 1 divided by this denominator x square plus 2 to the whole square. Okay, this is the answer. So given question you should subtract this expression to this expression, we will receive the answer is this. Okay, that's all. See next fourth problem. Which rational expression should be subtracted from x square plus 6x plus 8 divided by x cube plus 8 to get the answer 3 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, which rational expression should be subtracted from? Okay, from this one expression you should subtract, then we will receive this answer. What is that expression? It's asked question. Okay, see solution that you choose. Let p of x be the unknown expression. Okay, this only we want to find unknown expression. So given that, first which rational expression, this x square plus 6x plus 8 divided by x cube plus 8 you should be subtracted from p of x, that answer is 3 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, now you see first you factorize this. Now x cube x square, this is a quadratic polynomial. Yes, you factorize first. X square coefficient 1 is, so 1 into 8 8. Yes, 1 8s are 8. Now this 1 8s are 8, or else here 1 8s are 8. So and means 6 want to get. Yes, x coefficient is 6, so 6 want to write down. So multiply means 8, and means 6, then means 4 2s are 8, and means 6. So 4 2 only factors. So 4 you should divide by x, then 2 you should divide by x. Yes, because x square coefficient 1, so both the numbers also you should divide by x, means here factor is x plus 4 divided into x plus 2 divided by this x cube plus here only 2 term only is there, here cube is there, means this number also you change into cube, so 2 cube minus p of x is equal to 3 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4. So this we cannot factorize. This also one of the quadratic polynomial only, but we cannot factorize this polynomial. Okay, so that you keep it as it is. Now here use denominator, we want to use the formula. What formula you see here? X plus 4 of x plus 2 divided by a cube plus b cube formula. Yes, so what is that? A plus b into a square, okay, minus ab plus b square. Okay, use formula minus p of x, this equal to that denominator you should write. Okay, minus p of x divided by 3 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4 you should write as it is. Okay, so this here we, since we used, what is the formula? Use a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, since we use this formula. Okay, now next step you simplify, then you will receive the answer. So see first this, what you will get here, x plus 2 will get cancelled. Yes, so remaining what you will get, x plus 4 divided by x squared, x into 2 2x plus 4 minus p of x is equal to 3 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4. Now we need only p of x, so minus p of x, that's why go plus p of x. This first term you should write as it is. So x plus 4 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4 minus plus 3, this side come minus 3 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to p of x, minus p of x, that's why go plus p of x. Now simplify means you will get it as a p of x value. Okay, unknown expression you will get. Okay, therefore you see here it is like denominators, like it is like denominators. So numerator as it is you should separate. So x plus 4 minus 3 whole divided by denominator, write it as a single time. So x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to p of x. So simplify means x 4 minus 3 1. So x plus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to p of x. Therefore the unknown expression, rational expression is, therefore p of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, this is that answer. That's all. See next problem, fifth one. It's important if it is a 5 mark questions. Okay, here if a value and b value is given, we want to find the value of 1 divided by a minus b minus of 2b divided by a square minus b square. You want to find the value. See, you will think while seeing the question, immediately you will think here ab value is given, as it is here question also ab is there, so ab value substitute means we will get it as an answer. Yes, so we can follow, we can do it that method also. Okay, as it is you substitute a and b value and simplify, we will receive the same answer, but it should be complicated. Okay, so as it is you are substituting and simplifying, it is complicated, so that first what want to do, you see one more method you should follow. What is that? You see, I will explain. E first given a value is 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 and b value is 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, now we want to find the value of 1 divided by a minus b minus of 2b divided by a square minus b square. Yes. Now this value only we want to find. So for that, first you want to choose this 1 divided by a minus b minus of 2b divided by a square minus b square. Now 1 divided by a minus b, as it is you should write minus 2b divided by, okay, instead of a square minus b square formula we know what is that, a plus b into a minus b. So first given expression what we want to find, that it should be simplified. Okay, so it is a complicated term, so first you should simplify, then after that at last you should substitute a b value. Okay, now this you should simplify means, see here a minus b, here a minus b. Okay, unlike denominators want to take it as a LCM. Okay, unlike denominators take LCM means c whole divided by, here a minus b 2 times. Okay, common single time write a minus b, then a plus b want to write. Okay, a plus b. So here denominator a plus b is there, a plus b is there, but here is not there. So that a plus b, we took a minus b of a plus b into a minus b, LCM is this. Now here 1 you should multiply with a plus b. Yes, why means we have chosen a minus b into a plus b only LCM. So here denominator a plus b is missing, so that a plus b you should multiply with the numerator. Okay, minus this 2b you should write as it is. Why? Because 2b denominator a plus b into a minus b, we have chosen here the same only, a minus b into a plus b. So 2b you should write as it is. Now this you should simplify, 1 into a plus b minus 2b divided by a minus b into a plus b. Okay, see 1 into a plus b only. Okay, now next step you see here a plus b minus 2b. You should simplify this. What you will get, a minus b plus b minus 2b means minus b divided by denominator a minus b of a plus b. Okay, a plus b. Now you see numerator a minus b, denominator a minus b will get cancelled. So we will get it as 1 divided by a plus b. Okay, so given question we simplify and we brought only 1 divided by a plus b. Yes, now you should substitute x and y values. Okay, now you should substitute x and y value means 1 divided by a value is what is that, 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 plus here 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, you substitute a b values. Okay, substitute a and b values. Okay, we substituted. Now here now you check both the denominator also it is different as, so both the denominator you want to take it as a LCM. So now you take it as LCM means this then this. So 1 divided by, okay, cross multiplication, so 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 plus 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 whole divided by this denominator 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Okay, to calcium. Denominator I to calcium. Okay, now you should simplify this. Here 2x you take and multiply this 2. 1 you take and multiply this 2. Like this 2x you take and multiply this 2 terms. Minus 1 to take and multiply this 2 term. Like this 2 terms you should multiply and this 2 terms you should multiply. Okay, multiply, we will simplify, we will receive the answer. Okay, therefore here 1 divided by numerator. First 2x into 2x, 2 2s are 4, 4x squared. Next plus 2x plus 2x plus 1. 1 into 2x, 2x, 1 into 1, 1. Like that, plus 2x into 2x, 4x squared. Next, minus 2x, minus 2x, minus into minus, plus 1. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Whole divided by, okay, here 2x into 2x, 4x squared, minus, sorry, plus 2x, minus 2x, minus 1. Minus into 1, plus 1, minus 1. Okay, so you should multiply like this. Then now you simplify this. Numerator, if anything cancel, yes. Plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Here plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. So now we will receive that 1 divided by 4x squared plus 4x squared, you should add 8x squared. 1 plus 1 you should add plus 2 divided by, here 4x squared minus 1. Now want to take it as reciprocal. Okay, because denominator two terms are there, so we want to take it as a reciprocal, means 4x squared minus 1 divided by 8x squared plus 2 you will get. Okay, here since reciprocal, want to take reciprocal means denominator goes numerator, then this remaining you should write. Now here 4x squared minus 1 divided by, okay, then you see denominator 2 is common, 2 you are taking outside, 2 4s are 8x, so 4x squared plus 1, 2 went outside, remaining 1 is the meaning. This is the final answer. Okay, so given expression you should simplify, then AB value substitute, we receive that answer is 4x squared minus 1 divided by 2 times of 4x squared plus 1. Okay, after that we cannot simplify this, we cannot get cancel this, because here plus is there means it will get cancelled, but here minus, both the terms also it is different, we cannot simplify, it is the simplest form. Okay, that's all, this is the answer. See, next sixth problem. If a is equal to x by x plus 1, b is equal to 1 by x plus 1, then we want to prove that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by a divided by b is equal to 2 times of x square plus 1 divided by x of x plus 1 to the whole square. Okay, here plus, not minus. Now, so see, first you take this LHS and we want to prove RHS. Okay, left hand side you take and prove RHS. So while taking LHS side, you should substitute A and B value here given. As it is, you should substitute and simplify, you will receive the answer. Okay. So at the same answer only you will receive, but it is complicated, so that first what I want to do means, first I will apply the formula. Okay, and I will simplify, then after that I will substitute that AB value, we will get it as a RHS side. Okay, like that you do it. First, see here given A is x by x plus 1 and B is 1 by x plus 1. Then we want to prove that a plus b whole squared plus a minus b whole squared divided by a divided b is equal to 2 times of x square plus 1 divided by x of x plus 1 to the whole square. Okay, now take LHS side first. Okay, this LHS side you take and we will prove RHS. So LHS side first apply the formula. So a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by a divided by b. Okay, a divided by b you change into fraction form a by b. Now numerator you see what will be cancelled? Here plus 2ab minus 2ab will get cancelled. That means how many a squares are there? 2a squared plus 2b squared, that's all, divided by a by b. Then numerator 2 is common, 2 you are taking outside, a squared plus b squared divided by a by b. Now this a by b you want to take it as a reciprocal. Okay, so reciprocal means here 2 times of a square plus b squared into b by a. Okay, a by b you are taking reciprocal b by a. So here we used reciprocal. Yes. Now a by b is changed into b by a. Now you should substitute. So after that we cannot simplify. Now you substitute a and b values. So a value is instead of a 2 times of a value is x by x plus 1 to the whole square plus b value is 1 by x plus 1 to the whole square into b value is 1 by x plus 1 divided by a value is x by x plus 1. Yes, now you see these 2 times of here squared is common for numerator and denominator, so that x square divided by x plus 1 to the whole square, like that 1 square divided by x plus 1 to the whole square. This what you will get, both the denominator is same. Yes, so this x plus 1 will get cancelled, because both the denominators are same. So this x plus 1 will get cancelled, means remaining we will get it as a 1 by x. 1 by x. Now see 2 times of, it is a like denominator, so that x plus 1 to the whole square, numerator you should add x square plus 1 square. X square plus 1 square value 1 only into 1 by x. Here like denominator, so as it is you should add the numerator. Now next step, you see what we want to prove, that we received. Now 2 times of x square plus 1 square means 1 only, 1 square value 1. So 2 into 1 2 into this the same. So 2 times of x square plus 1 divided by here x into this, x into the denominator you should multiply x plus 1 to the whole square. So this equal to RHS. Yes, so I have taken LHS and I proved RHS. That's the ends proved. So suppose first itself you should substitute AB value, means it is complicated. You will get answer, but it is complicated. So that first you should simplify. LHS side, apply the formula, you simplify this format you will get. You should substitute the values, then we will get it as a RHS. That's all. Next, see 7th question. It's a word problem. You should simplify this. See, Pari needs 4 hours to complete a work. His friend Yuvan needs 6 hours to complete the same work. How long will it take to complete if they work together? This is a question. So Pari alone is complete a work 4 hours. His friend Yuvan needs is complete a work 6 hours. Suppose he both join and do the work, then how many hours to complete the work we want to find. So see solution. So already we learned these are the questions in 8th standard. Like the format questions we learned in 8th standard. So here we are taking work or else time, means usually fraction form we will take. See how you see, I will explain this. First given you should write, given that time taken, first time taken by Pari to complete a work, time taken by Pari to complete a work, how many hours is taking? 4 hours. Then suppose in a hour, 1 hour suppose we are choosing, means in 1 hour he completes 1 by 4 part of work. 1 by 4 part of work. Yes, so work time is given, means fraction form we will take, hours we will take it as a fraction form. So in 1 hour he completes 1 by 4 part of work. Then next his friend time taken, next time taken by Yuvan to complete the work, to complete a work, same work How many hours is need? 6 hours is need. Yes. So 6 hours to complete to complete yes same work. Okay, the same in 1 hour. In 1 hour he completes 1/6 part of work. Okay, then next you see, suppose total here both they have join and do means, so total he completes, okay, total he completes completions of, total is completion, total work, not he, total work, both of them. Yes, so that total work completion by, total work completion by both in 1 hour, both in 1 hour, both have joined how many 1 hour. So here 1/4 part of work, you should add 1/6 part of work, both means both the work also you should add. Okay, so 1/4 plus 1/6. So want to take it as LCM, so 4 6 are 24, so 6 ones are 6 plus 1 4s are 4. Okay, cross multiplication. Now 10/24, this you should cancel, we will get it as 5/12. Okay, so see 5/12, this cancel, 2 table 5/12 part of work, 5/12 part of work. Okay, so see this is convert into hours. Okay, that means time taken by both together to complete the work is equal to, okay, complete the work is equal to 1 divided by 5/12. Okay, fraction form only you want to take, so okay, 1 divided by 5/12. Now so you want to take it as a reciprocal means 12/5. 12/5 convert, so 12 inside 5 outside, so 2 5s are 10, remaining 2, keep it as point, you should add 1 0, 4 5s are 20. Okay, now 2 hours, this 0.4 you can multiply with, okay, 60. This 0.4 you convert into hours means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so that you should multiply with the 60 means we will get it as, okay, 2 hours, here 4 into 2 as it is you should write, 4 alone you should multiply with the 60, 4 6 are 24. Yes, so see 2 hours 24 minutes, 2 hours 24 minutes. Okay, so this is that answer. So both they can join and do the complete the work, take to complete the work 2 hours 24 minutes. Okay, that's all. So this point before hours, point after, if anything comes you should convert into hours means you should multiply with the 60. So 60 means 4 6 are 24. 24, a 0 will come, 0 is you should not consider, then means 24 minutes. Okay, that's all. See next 8th question. Inia bought 50 kilogram of fruits consisting of apples and bananas. Okay, totally she bought 50 kilogram fruits consisting 2 fruits, only apples and bananas. She paid twice as much per kg for the apple as she did for the banana. Okay, actually banana price of banana rate is equal to 1 apple. Okay, suppose banana 5 rupees means apple 2 5s are 10, so apple 10 rupees. Okay, like that. Then if Inia bought rupees 1800 worth of apples and 600 worth bananas, then how much kilograms of each fruit did she buy? Okay, that we want to find. Okay, totally how much of fruits? Separately bananas how much kilogram, then apple how much kilogram we want to find. Okay, is the question. See solution. See solution. First you choose, let x be the weight, and p be the price of an apple. Okay, x be the weight of an apple, okay, and p be the price of an apple. Okay, like that. So x be the weight and p be the price of an apple. Next you choose, let y be the weight of banana. Okay, weight, and q be the price of an banana. Okay, price of a banana. Price of a banana. Okay, so by the given data, what is that? Total she bought 50 kilograms. So x plus total weight. So apple weight and banana weight, x plus y is equal to 50 kilograms. Okay, then so this is, keep it as equation 1. Okay, next price she bought. So see, if Inia bought rupees 1800 worth of an apples. So apples, price of an apple, total weight price is equal to px is equal to rupees 1800. So this is equation 2. Okay, px is equal to 1800. Next like qy. Okay, total weight of banana is equal to how much rupees? Rupees 600. Okay, this is equation 3. So we want to find x and y only. Okay, total weight only we want to find, x separately, y separately. Now also here it is given, what is that? So see, she spent the amount, how much? She paid price as much per kg for the apple she did for the banana. Then means apple I chose p, banana I chose q. Then means p is equal to twice means 2. So p is equal to 2q. Okay, p is equal to 2q. This. So price of an apple is equal to price of an banana. Okay, p is equal to 2q. Now see, in this p is equal to 2q, substitute in equation 2. Okay, equation 2 you should substitute. Now see next see, substitute in equation 2, px is equal to 1800. So instead of p, 2q. Okay, so p is equal to 2q, x is equal to 1800. Since here p is equal to 2q. Okay, now 2qx. Now here you want which one? See here, suppose you need q, means q is equal to 1800 divided by 2x. So this 2 and x 1800 cancel, means q you will get it as a 900 divided by x. 900 divided by x. Okay, so 900 divided by x you will get. Now in that q value you substitute in equation 3. Okay, q value substitute in equation 3. Equation 3 is, what is that? Qy is equal to 600. Yes, so instead of q you should substitute 900 divided by x. So instead of q you should substitute 900 divided by x of y is equal to 600. Okay, now you want y means y is equal to 600 x divided by 900. X will go numerator, 900 will come denominator. Now 20 cancel. You should cancel this 2 by 3. Y is equal to 2 by 3x. Y is equal to 2 by 3x. Okay, 2 3s are 2, here 3. Cancel means this you will get 2x by 3. Okay, can write it as 2x by 3. Now, so from that we received y value. Now y value substitute in equation 1. Okay, so y is equal to 2x by 3. Substitute in 1 means equation 1 x plus y is equal to 50. So instead of y, 2x by 3 is equal to 50. Now this 3 you want to take it as LCM means, so now what you will get, 3 into x, 3x plus 2x by 3 whole divided by 3 is equal to 50. So now 5x is equal to 50 into 3. Division 3 that side go, multiplication 3. Now 5x is equal to 150. So x is equal to 150 by 5. Okay, 150 divided by 5. This implies x is equal to 3 5s are 15. So 30. So x we received as 30. Then y you want to find. So in equation 1 you should substitute equation 1, x plus y is equal to 50. Now instead of x 30, 30 plus y is equal to 50. So now y is equal to 50 minus 30. This implies y you will get it as 20. Y we will get it as 20. Now you see here x is called, x I chose what is that? Apple, and y I chose bananas. Therefore she bought 30 kilogram of apple and 20 kilogram of banana. Okay, that's all. So using given condition means, okay, you want to make it as equation, then one equation p is equal to 2q, first substitute in equation 2, then you will get it as a one answer y. That y value, q value substitute in equation 3, you will get it as a y. Then y value substitute in equation 1, you will get it as a x. Okay, you will get it as a x. So x is equal to 30, substitute in equation 1, y you will get. Therefore total she bought 50 kilogram, in that 30 kg of apples and 20 kg of bananas. Okay, that's all.